series on my channel which is for Rakhi, and I have named this as Nostalgic Rakhi because honestly in this lockdown I have been nostalgic for every freaking thing. I'm missing all of my friends, and definitely you guys must be missing all your friends, and if you are stuck out somewhere you guys must be missing your families too. So this whole lockdown has been so much nostalgic to me, and I have been missing that every vada pav that I had with my friends. That's the whole different thing. Just leave it. That's okay. Just leave it. So today we're gonna start with the first episode, or you can say the first video of Nostalgic Rakhi series, and this is one of the most requested video on this whole planet, I want to say, because everybody wants to know how to have a seamless base, what are the hacks for it, how you can apply even the normal foundation as a full coverage, or how you can avoid the flakiness, the dryness of your skin. So today we are gonna cover all of that. As you guys can see, I am having that base on. You can't really see a lot of flakiness. It's all so seamless. It looks like my skin only. So if you guys want to know all these hacks, please keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm shooting this part again for the second time because I somehow lost my footage. So please subscribe कर दिया करो यार, बहुत मेहनत लगती है. One thing that I want to state right now is that prepping your skin is really very important, because no matter if you're doing your makeup or not, if you does the prepping part really nicely daily, you can also fight with the acne and scars. All of your makeup products needs a clear face to sit on, and if you have a flaky skin, like dry skin and open pores, all of the makeup is gonna go and clog into it, and you can see all the creases around your mouth, around especially around nose and all over the face, and it looks really awful. So we don't want that. So first thing that we are gonna do is prepping our skin. So the first product that I want to share with you guys is Dabur Gulabari for toning. So this one is for 75 rupees, and I have been using this from almost 7 to 8 months, and I still have some product left. And you can also find a small travel pack like this for 10 rupees. If you're trying this for the first time, get a smaller one, try it out, and then go for this one. So yes, let's get started with the toning. Take a little bit amount in the palm itself. Your fingers or hands is just too good. You don't need any cotton pad, and just press all the product inside your skin. Let it sit for 30 seconds. So the second step that I'm going to use is this mist from Good Vibes. This is lavender and mint refreshing face mist. This is absolutely skippable. If you don't want to use it, don't use it, because I love how this feels on my skin, but I don't think so if this does any good for my skin. Moving on to the third product, that is moisturizer. Moisturizing your face is the most important in this whole prepping. I am trying out this new moisturizer from Lakme, and this is Lakme Peach Milk. I have heard a lot about this. I'm just trying out, and if I like it, I'll definitely share this with you guys in my other videos. So this is how it looks. The texture is really good. This is really light on my face, but at the same time this does not moisturize that well. So if you have a very oily skin, this might will work for you, but if you have a dry skin, do not try for this one. Go for Nivea White. Now for the last step of prepping, I am gonna use this aloe vera from Nature's. This one cost me 55 rupees, and this is really good on my skin. Once the aloe vera has been applied on my face, now I'm going to go with the foundation. The foundation I'm using is this Maybelline's Fit Me in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. Now after this, you can go for the rest of video that I have already shown. So once you're done applying your foundation all over your face, you have to take a damp beauty blender. Now how to damp it? Take your beauty blender, dip it inside one bowl full of water, and then squeeze all the extra water. Now you have your damp beauty blender. I brought this one from Amazon. I brought this and this, 3 of this along with 2 more like this for like 60 rupees. It comes in this packet. which is like quite reasonable for beauty blenders, and these are like quite good quality. Hold it like this, making this pointed part go up, and now I'm gonna slowly blend this all. Now take your quality time to blend all of this because blending is really important. I'm just dabbing the product in and not dragging anything. If you drag everything goes inside your blender and there is nothing on your face. So make sure you're just tapping on and not dragging. समझा? नहीं समझा? समझ जाओगे, देख लो कैसे करना है. Now this is the coverage that I'm getting in just one pump. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add more half pump, not a lot, just half pump, and I'm gonna apply on the highlighted points and also on my neck. Do not forget your neck, guys. Around my mouth. As you guys can see, it's almost full coverage. 1.5 pump of Maybelline Fit Me and you're good to go. Make sure you're choosing the right shade. Now, how you can choose the right shade? This is like one of the most asked questions in this whole internet. Is believe me, the most easiest way to find your perfect shade is go to mall or go to any beauty shop, sit on the chair, and they will give you the best match of your skin because they are selling the products like whole day, like thousands of pieces. When I was going to buy a foundation, I thought of buying it online because you know a lot of sales always go on Purple and Nykaa. I thought why not to just order from there or maybe from Amazon, but I was going to order 230 for me, which is like way light for my skin, and when I went to beauty shop, she gave me 332 and that was such a magical match for my skin. And I told her that I was going for 230 and she told me that might make you look like a ghost because it's so white for your skin. Yes guys, this is it for foundation. Now set this whole face, so we are going to move to third step, that is setting. Now for setting, we again have two options. We have options in every step, so don't mind if you don't find one thing, you have so many more options. So as you all know how much I love setting my face with Pond's Beauty. This does a magical job in setting your face, guys. And now if you don't want to go for this one and if you want a compact, I also have, this is the new range of compact of Fit Me and this is in the shade light beige. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my half face with the compact and half with powder. This much? Yeah, fine. I'm going to take one more sponge. This is like powder sponge, you can say. This is more fluffier than that and not that stiff, so this is mainly for powder. I'm going to do this. I'm going to take the powder and apply it on all the highlighted points. As you guys can see, कितने अच्छे से मैं face को set किया है. This is the non-set side. Non-set side. Okay, fine. This is the side where I don't have any powder, and this is the side where I have powder. Just even give you a little bit, not a much, little bit of coverage. Now for this side, we are going to use compact. We're going to use this Maybelline Fit Me. Guys, this Maybelline product smells so good. I'm going to apply this with the sponge that they give. This is quite soft. So love this. Face is also set. This has little more coverage with respect to this one. If you want this one, you can get it for like 10 rupees and this costs you 199, which is again quite cheap for the compacts, but still like the difference. You can get 10 rupees and 199 for daily master product. I think this is it. I'm quickly gonna do the other face makeup and come back. Yes guys, I'm done with the whole makeup and I am sure you guys must have learned something from this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and share this with all of your friends. Guys, please do support if you guys are liking this videos of mine, and definitely I'm not gonna let you guys down, so please subscribe and share my video. That's it for today. Meet you guys soon in the next episode of Nostalgic Rakhi. Bye.